Shawty make that ass clap, she don't need no clothes. High fashion.
Hey guys, it's Marissa and welcome back to my channel. And let me tell you now, I really outdid myself this time. So if you guys want to see how I got this custom blonde highlighted unit, then just keep watching. So for my highlighting process, I'm just taking the end of this rat tail comb and weaving it in and out of a small section of hair, and the pieces that I pull out is what I'm going to color in order to achieve my highlights. For my coloring, I'm using BW2 powdered lightener and 40 volume developer, and I just mixed it up until I got a pancake type batter consistency, and I'm applying it to the hair, not exactly at the root. I'm leaving a little bit of dark root just because that's how I like it. You can do what you like. And once I place a little bit at the roots, I then lay down some foil. Foil just helps the hair to process a little faster by trapping the heat in. Just want to make sure that you coat each strand evenly before you wrap the hair in the foil, and that's pretty much the process I use all the way up to the top of the head. It's pretty repetitive, so once you do it a couple of times, you will have it down.
20 minutes after I give you my number, you already have my mailbox full. So what? You bought a pair of shoes, but now I guess you think I owe you. You have to call as much as you do. I give them back to be through with you. And so what? My mama likes you. Now I guess you think I will do. Even if the folks say they like you do. I don't really care 'cause you're a bugaboo. You make me want to pull my picture out the window. It's easy out to cut the phone post and break my knee so I can move. You a bugaboo, a bugaboo, a bugaboo. I wanna put your number on the call line. Ain't no bill, make my email slide. You a bugaboo, you bugging what you bugging, who you bugging me? And don't you see it ain't cool? Slide high, then when I'm blocking your phone number, you call me over your best friend's house. And it's high that I can't even go out with my girlfriends without tracking me down. You need to chill out with that mess, 'cause you can't keep having me stressed. 'Cause every time my phone rings, it seems to be you, and I'm praying that it is someone else. So what? You bought a pair of shoes, but now I guess you think I owe you. Oh, you have to call as much as you do. I give them back to be through with you. And so what? So what? But now I guess you think I owe you. Even if the folks say they like you do. I don't give a damn 'cause you're a bugaboo. Tell MC I can cut the phone. Break my knee so I can move. 'Cause you a bugaboo, a bugaboo. I wanna put your number on the call. Make my email stop. 'Cause you a bugaboo. You bugging what you bugging, oh you bugging me, and don't you see it ain't cool? Call me on the phone, you bugging me. When you follow me around, you bugging me. Everything you do be bugging me. You bugging me, you bugging me. You call me on the phone, you bugging me. When you follow me around, you bugging me. Everything you do be bugging me. You bugging me, you bugging me.
So once I colored all of the back of the hair, I left the front untouched because I wanted to focus more color there. So I pulled out 2 bang pieces around my part and evenly coated those with bleach without doing the weaving method like I was in the back, just so I can have basically a full blonde look framing my face. And once I did those 2 pieces, I then went back to weaving for the rest of my hair.
Girl, you know what's up. Girl,
what's up, and you know what I need. Ooh, say what, say what, say what. You know that I'm about it, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what's up. Keep her thighs and I'm zoning. Keep her thighs and I'm zoning.
Once I had everything colored, I allowed the bleach to sit for at least 30 to 35 minutes and process before I removed my foils and rinsed my hair and washed it using a neutralizing shampoo. Then I went back in with the Wella Color Charm Toner in T18 and toned the hair. You will see that the toner will start to turn purple once the hair is done processing, and I also let this sit for about 30 minutes before I rinsed it out, and that is how I ended up with this cool ash tone blonde. Toner is very necessary if you don't want your hair to come out harsh and brassy. So I just spent all this time curling my hair, thinking I was talking to you guys and giving you the specs and details on this unit, and I wasn't even in frame. Half of it out of focus, just a mess, a complete mess. So hopefully you guys get the footage of me coloring the hair. I just been having some crazy technical difficulties. So this is a 16-inch body wave T-part closure wig from Unice on Amazon. This is my first time coloring hair in a very long time. I did get a higher highlight on one side than the other when it comes to the, I don't want to call it bang, like these front two pieces here, but overall, I'm very satisfied with how my coloring came out. This hair did take bleach very well. It started to lighten so fast, and I have been getting some shedding since I colored my hair, but that's to be expected. Hair is already processed to get the body wave pattern in the first place, and then you go and put bleach on it. Well, that's more processing to the hair, so I'm pretty sure this is 150% density, but of course, as always, I'll have all the specs down below because after a while, all these wigs, they just start to run together. But I do want to say this is 150 and I'm pretty much satisfied with the density. So congratulations to our giveaway winner. I'll go ahead and insert the name here, and I will be reaching out to you via Instagram DMs to set up how I will ship your prize to you. Thank you guys so much once again for 1,000 subscribers, but we're not done yet. So as we continue to grow, be on the lookout for more giveaways. But that's pretty much all I have on this style. If you guys would like to see more hair coloring and styling videos in the future, then let me know, because I do want to try some different things, but I don't want to bore y'all with stuff that y'all don't care about seeing. But honestly, I'm tired of just sitting these wigs on my head and talking about them for 5 minutes. I want to do something a little more fun, a little more exciting. Let's do something interesting. Let's talk to each other, get to know each other, chat with me in the comments. But if you aren't already, subscribe down below, share this video with somebody else, and I will see you guys in my next one. As always, thank you for watching.